up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm here with a student. Yeah. She's about to take her driving test in a day or two. We're practicing the driving test, so we're gonna just do a nice run through of the actual driving test. We're not at a DMV, but we're at an old DMV. We're not at a DMV that's currently open, but we're at one that used to be a DMV back in the days. I have videos here, but you know, they're no longer a DMV. But we can still run through everything that is on the test here. Alright, so they're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
Turn the steering wheel out, to
Left,
the left,
away
from the curb. Put the car in park, pull up the safety brakes, and turn off the ignition.
Cool. Notice she said safety brakes. That sounds good. Yeah, you know she's not American, but yeah, that works. What else are they gonna? What else? So they're gonna ask you at those questions. They're gonna ask you to do the turn signal. Signal left, signal right, blow the horn, press and release the brake, and they're gonna ask you those things to make sure that the lights are working. The brake lights, the turn signal lights, the horn. They will not take you out in a car if those things are actually not working. Alright, so we're gonna run through this test and show you what she's doing. And because this is not an actual DMV, I'm gonna be able to show you more of the outside of the car. So that's actually a good thing, right? Alright, so put the car in reverse and we're gonna go to the left. Look both ways here. And when your mirror gets to the end of the line, like when the mirror gets to the end of the parking lot line, you turn all the way to the right and you're reversing. Just straight back. Okay, that's good. Now put the car back in drive. And we're gonna go to the stop sign right up here. And we're gonna make a left turn. Well, we're not gonna make a left because of the construction. So we're gonna go all the way across, close to that restaurant at the end, the King Super Buffet. Alright, we're gonna stop here. And we're gonna go straight across as soon as it's clear. Wait for this truck. Okay. You gotta wait. Go around it. Go back to your right lane.
I'll not be doing that DMV though.
Well, you know what's funny? If you're doing your driving test at the DMV and a truck pull up, you would have to do exactly the same thing.
Oh,
so
okay.
yeah.
Good point.
Yeah, let's hope it doesn't happen during your driving test. We're making a left turn where that car just made the left. So make sure you signal every time they ask you to turn. You make sure you signal, otherwise you'll lose 4 points for each time that you don't. We're gonna go down to the end and we're going to make a right turn. So there's no actual stop sign standing up, but you treat that like a stop sign. You're gonna come to a complete stop here. And then you're gonna go ahead, look down to the left, make sure there's no cars coming, and make a right turn. Take your time. Make sure you go up enough so your back wheel doesn't hit the curb, yeah? Go forward a little bit more. Alright. So we're gonna make a left turn here, right before the stop sign. We're gonna make the left turn. And you're going to stop as soon as you make the left turn. Stop here. Now we're gonna do the quick stop, which means we're gonna speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. So go ahead, speed up and stop. Okay, and they want you to do that because that's a part of the driving test, right? So now we're gonna go and do the reverse straight back. So you basically hold the wheel straight and just roll straight back. And you go straight back until I tell you to stop.
Did they tell me to stop?
They'll tell you when to stop. Okay, like stop right there. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and go forward again. Alright. Okay, so we're gonna make a right turn here. And then we're gonna make a left turn. Close to the right side so we can do the 3-point turn. So you see the lines on the right here and the line on the right and the left there. We're gonna do the 3-point turn between these two lines. So signal left and turn all the way left. You're gonna stop right before you cross the line, put the car in reverse, turn all the way to the right. Look behind, yep, just like that. Okay, that's good. Put the car back in drive, signal left again, and turn all the way left. Alright, go ahead and make a right turn. We're gonna go around to the front where those people have those cones, and we're gonna park in between their cones. Just because we can, yeah, we're gonna. Yeah, we're gonna do it because we're gangster like that. No. You make a right turn. I mean, the most they could do is tell us not to use their cones. Easy. And, you know, by then we'll be done with the cones, right? We're only parking in it once. So we're gonna go down here. And then we're gonna go down to the lane where the cones are. And then it's like right there. So make a left. And just kind of wait for them to get up the space. They might sit in there just because they see us coming. Stay close to your right side. Stop here and wait. Don't go too close to them. See how long they're gonna keep us waiting. Because technically they are their cones.
We should get some cones right there.
Yeah, we should. And they're not getting out of space. So look at the dude. He's actually outside of the car. He's trying to take his cones up. Is that what he's doing? Crazy.
I know his skin.
Yeah. Alright, let's go. We're gonna park right beside him without his cones. Because we don't care. That is so weird. Look at that. Alright, just pass him and then we'll park.
Oh yeah, he is taking.
I told you. It's ridiculous. Alright, so we're gonna go up, line up the mirror.
It doesn't even fit in his car.
It's there, but that's just people. Go to the next one. Line up the mirror with the line. Go up a little bit more. Alright, stop there. Signal left. You see how weird people are?
Yeah.
Like he literally just, okay, and just straighten up. He literally picked up the cone just because he sees us trying to park. Weirdo. Alright, reverse. That's why I'm not even putting the camera on his sign so they could see who he is and help him out a little bit. Alright, turn all the way left. As soon as your mirror is to the end. Go back a little bit more, just a touch. Alright, put it back in there. All the way to the right. We're gonna go to the stop sign here and make a right turn. So you're gonna stop here and then look left, make sure there's nothing coming, and go ahead and make it right. So you stop here. 1, 2, 3. Go straight across. And then we're gonna park on the left side. And that would be the end of the test. Alright, so again you're gonna line up your mirror with one of these lines. And signal left. Turn all the way left. Roll into the space. As you get to the middle, keep going a little bit more. Keep going to the left a little bit more. Press the gas gently and straighten up and pull forward. And that's it. Stop. Put the car in park. Alright, so what do you think?
I did great.
You did great?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes, awesome. I'm that good, yes.
No, she did great. She did excellent, actually. We're gonna practice again. So I'm doing this video for her at this site. I'm gonna do another video for her at the actual DMV site because she's that excellent, right?
Yes.
Yeah, cool. And she's my African friend.
Yes.
Alright, so yeah, she did good. She did great, and I expect her to get 100% on the test. So yeah, thanks for watching. Tell them to subscribe, please.
Subscribe.
Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.